Today, digital sculpting is an integral part of any modeller's workflow. From roughing out volumes to creating highly detailed characters, the ability to model without being constrained by surface topology is a liberating one. MODO offers a number of integrated sculpting solutions that sit alongside both the painting and polygon modeling toolset, allowing you to seamlessly move from one process to another. By default, sculpting tools will work directly on a polygon mesh, physically moving the object's vertices to a different location. This is perfect for applying brush-based tweaks to an organic surface, or for creating morph maps which can then be animated and blended. If a model is converted to a multi-resolution mesh, then it's possible to sculpt at different levels of resolution based on the type of mark that you want to apply. Surface topology is ignored, and the surface is displaced. MODO also allows you to import displacement maps created in other sculpting applications, and use them to generate a multi-resolution surface. This is particularly useful if you want to carry out additional sculpting in the context of a bigger scene. Much like modeling, MODO treats the construction of sculpting tools in a generic way. By combining a basic tool with different brushes and inks, you're able to generate an almost limitless number of custom tools and save those as presets. Just like MODO's painting tools, you can control and preview the shape of a brush, and then apply it with a variety of tools such as push, smooth, carve, flatten, move, and tangent pinch. If image ink is also added to a tool, then you're able to displace the surface using an image map, allowing for the creation of highly detailed organic surfaces. If you want to apply a very controlled mark, for example to define a character line, you can constrain the brush to either a 2D or 3D background curve. Another way of controlling the application of a mark is by using a mask. These can be painted onto the surface or applied by baking the effect of a fall-off into the surface. How you approach sculpting really depends on what you're trying to create. But the great thing about MODO is that you have a number of solutions immediately available to you. Best of all, your sculpts are viewable in the context of the scene via the preview viewport, and can remain as sculpts if required. Alternatively, they can be frozen for export or 3D printing, or baked directly in MODO to create more efficient models for VFX or games.